The bird dog is a great exercise for strengthening your low back and improving your core stability. The beginner version, you will be on your hands and knees and extend your leg fully, keeping your back as straight as possible. The intermediate version, you'll add the opposite arm, straightening at the same time, again, trying to keep your back as straight as possible so you can draw a straight line from your hand to your ankle. A more advanced version involves straightening your arm and leg and pulling your elbow and knee together and trying to touch and release, again, keeping your back as straight as possible. And finally, a more advanced version is extending your arm and leg and moving them in a direction of a square while not allowing any movement in your trunk or torso.